Welcome back to another episode of Drink Tales. And today is definitely different. See, we got a blender in the house. What do you have in store?
I don't know.
We just brought a blender out for no reason.
We just bought a blender out for no reason. And we also got some ice cream here, Briars. You know, fight me. But we're gonna do something different. I want to do a dessert drink,
A dessert
alcohol beverage, and I came up with some funny ideas. And I have a couple of ingredients to start with, but then I got my backup in case we run into some issues. But hopefully we won't run into some issues. So here's what we're gonna do. First of all, we're gonna remove the lid from this situation right here. And I'm gonna start off with the ice cream.
So this is vanilla.
Natural vanilla.
How much you doing? Like 2 scoops?
I'm gonna do about 3. 3 should suffice. Okay. And we'll put that to the side because I don't need it anymore. Okay, and this is where, hand me that. And this is where we get silly because I'm trying to procure the specific flavor profile. We're gonna do Smith and Cross and Hoodoo Liqueur.
Okay. Have we mixed those two before?
We have in the very first cocktail I ever made for them. And I figured they worked so well with each other before, might as well do it again. I'm gonna go with an ounce of the Hoodoo. That may be a bit much, but we shall see. And maybe an ounce and a half of the Smith and the Cross. Interesting. It is interesting. What will be interesting is if this turns out real good. And last but not least, I have here Swiss Miss milk chocolate hot cocoa mix. And for those of you who don't know this about me, which is all of you, on occasion when I'm feeling really indulgent, I'll have a bowl of vanilla ice cream and I'll dump 1 packet of this over the ice cream. So this is where the idea for this concoction came up with. So
I don't eat that.
So that's what we're doing. Bam. And hopefully it won't be a complete disaster. Okay, we're gonna put this on and I'm going to start low.
Yeah. YouTube viewers, do not wear headphones.
You'll be fine. You saw the blender, you knew it was up. So that should be enough for this glass. Or maybe not. Maybe I'm stupid. And I wouldn't know what to garnish this with, but
Because he made it up on the fly.
yeah. Let's see what we got.
Got it. Looks like I got it. definitely boozy.
Mm-hmm. But do the flavors go well? You're just.
My only flaw.
Mm-hmm.
The Swiss Miss is fine.
Mm-hmm.
But if you're just going chocolate, I would trade it out for just chocolate syrup. Or what did you set this on?
Well, I set it on the lowest setting just to get it started, and then put it on the highest setting. You talking about the blender? Let me see what you're talking about.
It tastes good. It's boozy.
That is good and boozy.
I just think chocolate syrup would make it a little bit smoother.
You think the packet is gritty?
Yeah.
Makes it too gritty?
Mm-hmm.
I don't see that as much of a problem.
Mm-hmm.
But here's the thing though, and you may disagree with me on this, I think the chocolate syrup would change the flavor. For me, it will change the flavor for me. I like the flavor that you get from the Swiss Miss packet. I think chocolate syrup would change the flavor for me. I don't mind that minor grit from it.
I do. To me, it throws it off.
The flavor is right where I need it to be. The Smith and Cross is the hero in this. Because it enhances the hoodoo. And it mixes perfectly with the chocolate syrup. I mean the Swiss Miss.
I guess. I just think that for me, chocolate syrup would be better.
I mean, it's something that can be tried and experimented with. You guys try this ingredient. You guys try this recipe and you tell me what you think. If you want to try it with Smith Miss, try it. If you want to try it with chocolate syrup, do that. And you guys tell me what you think. Looking at this now and thinking about it, I think the best garnish for this would be whipped cream.
Naturally.
I wouldn't put like a cherry on it or anything like that.
Nah. Just simple whipped cream. What would you call this?
That's a good question. I'm thinking I should lean more. What should I call this?
Muddy waters.
There is a. So you're just gonna dip Miss mudslide?
No, I'm not. I'm just calling that muddy waters. Or Georgia clay.
Well, I don't think there's anything that has to do with Georgia clay. What about What about swamp water?
Nah, that makes it sound nasty.
There are other drinks with nastier sounding names. Swamp water sounds fine. But it's not really water.
Oh my god.
Look, I want to get the name right on this. If we're going to name this, I do think a name in relation to Voodoo Roots or the Chicory Liqueur will work. I just don't know what. We're gonna have to come up with something.
I'll tell you guys. I'll do this. You'll find out the name of this specific drink when I post a video. It'll be in the description, okay? But not gonna lie, I love the taste of this. I just think it's fine. I think I like the chocolate flavor. I just think it should be achieved through another means instead of Swiss Miss hot chocolate. That's just me. You are missing out. Alright. That'll do it for another episode of Drink Tales. Be sure to like and subscribe. Hit that bell so that you're notified of all content that comes to the channel. Also, be sure to check us out on Instagram and Twitter. And until next time, everybody. Peace.